Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will unbox and install the Geeksmart L-B201 fingerprint door lock. When you open the box, you'll get a user manual, long screws and short screws, 2 mechanical keys, door strike, USB charging cable, latch mechanism, outside handle, and the inside handle. The lock is quite easy to install. All you have to do is watch the video that explains the process and to see how it works. This fingerprint lock is as smart as it is elegant, providing your room with an added level of safety without announcing it to the world. With a soft unlocking motion, it is ideal for inner doors of the residential, apartment, or other private spaces.
Always open. Please open the door. Add administrator fingerprint. Please place your finger. Please place your finger again. 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 Addition success.
The one-touch locking and unlocking system is perfect because this can be used by any of the registered fingerprints. Attractive design, a nice-looking design will not clash with your current home decor. Lock and unlock your door in a single motion by scanning your fingerprints as you grip the door handle. Geek Digital Smart Lock works on a lightning speed of 0.25 seconds is all that is required to unlock, much faster than any key.
Administrator's fingerprint. Verify administrator successfully. Add administrator fingerprint. Please place your finger. Please place your finger. Please place your finger again. Please place your finger. Please place your finger again. Addition success.
Built-in 800 mAh lithium batteries provide uninterrupted power for the fingerprint door lock. There is a micro USB emergency power interface to charge the batteries. This fingerprint door handle doesn't require an app to store fingerprints, as the internal memory storage can hold multiple fingerprints for every user. This keyhole is for those mechanical keys in case you run out of battery and you still need to unlock and get in.